Hello, my name is Tamasa and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a hollow ball from a Rubik Snake 48. Okay, let's begin. So first of all, we're going to be counting on the big sides, 1, 2, and bending this piece once, like this. Then this piece, you move it once as well. Then this green piece, move it once, and the red piece, you move it once as well. This purple piece, we move once. Blue piece, we move once. Count 2. Orange piece, we move once. White piece, we move once. And the green, move it to attach. Red piece once. Count 1, 2. This purple piece once. Blue piece once. And then orange piece connects. Next, with this white piece, we move it once. We count 1, 2. And move the green one once. Move the red one once. And then the 2 pinks can attach. Next, the blue piece down. And the orange pieces can attach. We move it down. Green pieces can attach. And then the red piece. We move down. And the last, the little pink moves down. And then you should have your hollow ball. Thank you for watching.